Hello, dear viewers, and welcome back to another enlightening episode of Ebe Demystified. Today, we explore the fascinating names of the parts of the human body in Ebe. In this inaugural episode of our series, we direct our focus to the parts of the head. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell so you never miss any of our exciting episodes on the parts of the human body in Ebe. Let's begin. The head is known as ta or eta in Ewe. Ta, ta. As you may already know, the crab lost his head due to having too many friends. Ta, ta. On the head itself, there are several other parts. Let's begin with the head. Hair. Hair in Ewe is da or a da. Da, da. In Ewe, as in Twi and several other languages, certain words have an initial vowel sound that can be dropped completely during use. Da, da, a da. Moving on to the forehead, it's called ngo, ngo. It's quite easy to pronounce. Ngo, ngo. If you're Ewe, do not think that we're trying to mention NGO, non-governmental organization. Forehead is ngo, ngo. Directly below the forehead, we have the brows or eyebrows. Eyebrow in Ewe is adaba, adaba, adaba. Say it with me. Adaba, adaba. Continuing, we have nku, nku, nku for the eyes. If you're a can, please do not think that this is pomade. I in Ewe is nku, nku, nku. Now let's look at the nose. Most Ebe people call it ngoti, ngoti. The Anglo variant is ngochi. Some other dialectal groups also call it ngati, ngati. But let's stick to classical Ebe, shall we? So we go with ngoti, ngoti. Repeat after me. Ngoti, ngoti. Now, on either side of the face, we have the cheeks. The cheeks. Cheek in Ewe is alo, alo. On certain occasions, the Ewes may also refer to alo as alogo, alogo, especially when they are on the big side. Alogo. This describes the cheek as a container. Alo, alo. Let's carry on and look at the lips. In Ife we say nu, nu. If you're a Kan, you may notice a resemblance to ano, ano. Then inside of the mouth, the very first thing we meet is adu, the teeth. Adu. Now, guess what advovo means? Guess what advovo means? Directly behind the teeth, we also have the tongue. Ade. Ade. If you watched the episode on counting from 1 to 1,000, number 6 was Ade. Ade. That's entirely different from Ade. Ade. 1,000 tongues would be Ade Akbe, Ade Akbewu, or Ade Akbe Akbewu. One more to go. The ear. The ear. Oops, sorry, wrong ear there. The ear in Ewe is to, to, or a to, or a to. It sounds a little like what we have in Ga. Tui, tui, a to, a to. Now we've covered everything or every part of the head. Let's go over them again. A ta, a ta, a da, da. Ngo, ngo, adaba, adaba. Nku, nku, eto, eto. Ngoti, ngoti. Enu, enu. Adu, adu, ade, ade. And finally, alo, alo, or alogo, alogo. I've intentionally left a couple out. Tell me which ones they are in the comments below. But for now, I'd like to know this one. Let's see if you can tell me what part is this? What part is this? All right. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoy this, but continue to practice and please feel free to watch this video as often as necessary until you master the names of the parts on the head. In our next episode in the series, we'll cover the remainder of the body. Till then, miagadogo, mi noing le fame.